Hello friends, how are you? Today I want to drawing clouds, star, and a rainbow. I love to drawing a rainbow. Do you ever seen a rainbow? Rainbow has beautiful color. And the rainbow coming after the rain. It has red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, and purple color. Please try to drawing and coloring it with me. First I want to drawing the cloud. The cloud have big eye. And then I want to drawing the star. The star has big eye too. And I want to drawing more cloud. Now, let's drawing the rainbow. You can try to drawing like my way. The rainbow has 7 parts of color. Soon, we will coloring it and make a beautiful rainbow. Picking time. And now, let's coloring. Light blue for the cloud. And yellow for the star. The cloud and the star are sleeping now. I want to wake them up. Ding ding abracadabra. Look, they are wake up now. Let's continue coloring the cloud. And the star too. Let's continue to the another cloud. I want to give the another cloud with the violet color. Look, they are so beautiful and cute. And now it's time to coloring the rainbow. First I want to use red color. And orange color. And now is yellow color turn. The rainbow has green color too. And light blue. And now is violet color turn. And the deep purple too. They will look so happy and shiny on the up sky above. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you like the videos. And if you have click subscribe button, I really appreciate it. See you on the next videos.